True Scientific Series brings decades of expertise in commercial refrigeration manufacturing to the next generation of scientific refrigerators for proven performance you can trust. True Scientific units are specifically engineered, built, and tested to provide top-quality refrigeration performance with available models for pharmacy, laboratory, and chromatography settings. All True Scientific models meet CDC guidelines and are designed to maintain stable, uniform temperatures throughout the cabinet with quick temperature recovery. Average temperature stability is 0.7 degrees Celsius. Temperatures throughout the cabinet are held within 1 degree Celsius, eliminating hot and cold spots that could put contents at risk. A digital temperature control shows set temperature and current temperature and features a battery backup. Temperature is measured in a glycol-filled bottle to simulate actual product temperature. In the event of a high or low temperature alarm, extended door opening, sensor failure, or power failure, an alarm will activate, helping to prevent product loss. The self-closing, energy-efficient doors are equipped with magnetic door gaskets, door locks, and antimicrobial handles. Glass doors use double-pane thermal insulated glass. Cabinet interiors are illuminated by switch-controlled high-efficiency LED lights. Units come standard with adjustable perforated, non-peel white-coated shelves with the option for wire shelves and half shelves. Laboratory and chromatography models include 2 access ports. Chromatography models also include a duplex electrical outlet inside the cabinet and are optionally available with a chromatography mast to support storage of larger items. All True Scientific units exceed ENERGY STAR lab requirements using efficient and environmentally friendly R290 hydrocarbon refrigerant. Self-cleaning condenser technology eliminates the need to clean the condensing coil, reduces energy consumption, and helps maintain the tightest temperatures. With the Scientific Series, True brings our high standard of reliable, efficient, and long-lasting refrigeration products to pharmacy, laboratory, and clinical settings for proven performance you can trust. True Scientific.